Center Giant 8665 Heavy.
And that was, yep, Giant 8665, go.
Yes, sir. Believe it or not, we just had a bird strike up here. It caught me right in the left windshield. We're okay.
Giant 8665, do you need a assistance there then?
Negative, sir. We're just going to continue at this time. We're running our procedures.
Giant 8665, just let me know if you do need anything there.
Will do. Thanks. What altitude was that bird strike?
And that was at FL400 was the bird strike. Giant 8665, would you have an estimate on how big, was it like a larger bird?
Executive 693, flight level 400.
Executive 693, Indy Center, roger. And Giant 8665, if you had to guess, was it just one bird there, or did you see any other birds in the vicinity as you potentially had that hit?
To the best of my knowledge, it was a single bird, sir, and we do have guts on the windshield, and the outer pane is cracked. Couldn't tell you what kind it was. It sure made a racket, though.
Giant 8665, I appreciate those reports, and I'll definitely let the other airplanes out there know, because that's definitely an anomaly, I'd think, at FL400, sir.
Yeah, 400. He may have been on oxygen, I don't know.
Hey, Elvis, Impel 5. Yeah, I got something kind of weird for you. That Giant 8665, right around the Impel intersection, told me he had a bird strike at FL400. There's no emergency there.
I'm sorry, somebody else was trying to call. Say that again. He had a bird.
Yeah, Giant 8665 at 40,000 feet hit a bird, he says.
Okay.
I know, it's, I had trouble believing it too. But bird strike, no problems there. He does have guts on his left windscreen. It's no problems with it, so. It's no emergency, though, but just to let you know if he does talk about it later, though. Okay, thanks.
Park City Ting sideline.
What's going on?
Reference Giant 8665. He's had a bird strike. We've declared him an emergency. He's your control going direct to us at the 90.
Load up.
HC.
Indy Center, good morning, Giant 8665 Heavy, flight level 290.
Giant 8665 Heavy, Indy Center, good morning. Giant 8665, are you okay there at flight level 290 for a while, or did you want us to go ahead and start down?
No, we're okay at 290, sir.